mind's eye, I see James in the front, kind of looking back, so he's winning. So you'll be right here. You'll be right here, kind of looking back and giving and talking smack to him. Like I'm in the lead. Yeah, exactly. You can find all kind of things funny here. I know. Some of personal jokes with that.
Depends on your target audience.
I lost my balance and I just started going backwards.
Yeah, so good head.
In fact, rotate a little bit more that way. There we go. Okay, here we go.
Hey!
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Okay, let's continue on.
Okay. Okay.
Here we go.